Here is James changing his first tire. There's the coach telling him what to do.
And here's Sue,
And
who
here's
doesn't have to change her tire.
enjoying somebody else changing her tire.
Watch this, Lisa, because if I have a square flat, I expect to make sure that you will.
Yeah, be careful.
James will be right behind her to change it for her.
Keys. Do you have keys to?
Yeah. And I don't know, I've got the little squirty stuff, but